Everybody, welcome back. We're making a delicious and spicy fish curry today, Andhra style, also known as Andhra fish pulusu. We will need about 12 ounces of fish. I'm using wild-caught Alaskan cod fillets that I will be chopping up into small pieces. Now, for our curry, we'll need half of a large onion diced, about 2 medium-sized Roma tomatoes chopped large, a lemon-sized ball of tamarind soaking in warm water, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, a whole tablespoon of red hot chili powder and Kashmiri powder mixed, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, chopped cilantro for garnish, green chilies to taste. I'm using about 7 to 8 here, a handful of curry leaves. Now for dry roasting our powders, we need 1 tablespoon poppy seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds or meaty seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin, and 1 teaspoon of peppercorns. So we're going to start by dry roasting and grinding our 5 ingredients. Making our Andhra fish curry, we are dry roasting our 4 ingredients: fenugreek, fennel, peppercorns, and cumin or jeera. It's a dry pan. I've added no oil. Dry roasted on low flame till it becomes aromatic and light brown. I have my 5 ingredients dry roasting for the masala. As you can see, the poppy seeds are turning light brown. Here I have a pot heating with some oil, about a couple tablespoons. If you have gingerly oil, use that. It gives you a really good flavor. Here I've mixed gingerly oil with regular cooking oil. To the hot oil, mustard seeds, curry leaves, As the mustard seeds begin to pop, you can add your onions. Saute this really well till your onions are translucent and light brown. My ingredients are dry roasted. I'm now ready to grind it. I'm going to put this into a bowl, set it aside, and add it to the fish curry later. My onions are browned. I'm adding the ginger garlic paste and cooking it for a couple minutes. I've lowered the heat, so you want to make sure your ginger garlic paste cooks well and doesn't have a raw flavor to it. Okay, and now I add my powders. I'm adding coriander, turmeric, the 2 chili powders, Kashmiri and super hot chili powder, and my dry ground 5 masala mix. Again, I'm lowering the heat and stirring this well for about 3-4 minutes till they cook really well before adding the tomatoes. I'm adding the sliced green chili. at this point. I added a little bit of water, a couple tablespoons, so the powders don't burn. Keep cooking. My onions and masala have cooked well. I'm going to add the tomatoes now. I'm also going to add the soaked tamarind pulp and the juice. Increase your heat to medium and cook it down really well till the tomatoes are mashed. You can cover it at this point. My tomatoes have cooked down and mashed up. I'm now going to add the fish pieces. And a few more green chilies to increase the spice. Stir it well and cook. It's been a few minutes. My fish is now cooked. My fish curry is ready. I'm going to garnish it with some cilantro. And it's ready to be served. Andhra style fish Pulusu curry, spicy, is now ready. Enjoy.